Hi, I'm Jeff with Windmill Pond Farms, and thank you for purchasing the Easy Garden Grow Bag system. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up your garden grow bag system and how to plant your plants once they come in. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get this grow bag right here. It's got perforated holes to plant these plants in there. And on the back side, Dual Tri-Wick system will water your plants automatically. And then we got the watering tray right here, the watering tray at the bottom. It's going to come just like this, all set up, ready for you to plant your plants in there. We have the seedlings set up here. We have the garden bundle right here. Unfortunately, I don't have the sweet pepper, so we're going to plant 2 tomato plants today. But you'll come with 3 lettuce, a tomato plant, a sweet pepper plant, and some chives. And they'll be ready to plant in this grow bag. Demonstrate what the wicking system allows you to do. It allows you to water your plants, give them exactly the amount of water that they need. You can't overwater or underwater them. And it uses these wicks. There's 6 of these in total. And hopefully during the video, we'll be able to see the colored blue liquid go from this bowl to this bowl. So as I'm talking, that will be happening. Your plants will come like this. They're already started. They're seedlings. They're ready to be planted. They've already been outside, so they've already got direct sunlight. No need to put them under any grow lights or anything like that. All you simply do is take your seedlings and you plant them into your grow bags right here. Now, once the plants reach 12 inches or bigger, you can transfer them to a larger planting pots. We have easy grow pots as well, where they have the wicks at the bottom. And you can see those on my website. Or you can buy an additional grow bag on the website and then just plant 1 plant per grow bag. But in this demonstration, we're going to plant all 5 plants that we have in front of me. What you do, you either can use your finger, you can put gloves on if you prefer, if you don't want dirt under your nails. And you simply open up the perforation. You stick your finger in the bottom there. And I recommend that you plant like the tomato plants, the pepper plants in the center, and then the smaller plants like the lettuce and the chives on the outside. We also have herbs, an herb bundle. We also have alternative such as kale, bok choy. Plant your plant in here. The nice thing about this grow system is that the weeds have nowhere to go. There's no place for them to grow, so you don't have to weed your garden. I'm going to plant the other tomato plants. And the nice thing about this as well is it's totally mobile, so that you can move your garden wherever you want to. So for instance, on a hot day, you might want to move it to a shady spot in your yard. You can actually get a garden wagon, put this on the garden wagon, and then move it to any spot in your yard, such as a shade. Or if you want to move it in the morning or the evening time, you can move it to catch the fading light, either in the morning or afternoon. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to plant the lettuce here. We have a couple varieties of leaf lettuce. We have a mix of leaf lettuce so that you can have salads all year long. These tomato plants will grow big. We have cherry tomatoes and we have Rome tomatoes for sale on the website. The soil's already been treated, so it has all the fertilizer that your plant's going to need to grow. All you simply have to do is plant them in the bag. And I'm going to plant the last plant here, which is the chives. Okay. So that's the plant there. Now we just add water. That's the next step. We add water to our watering tray. Not directly to the plants, to the watering tray. That's going to allow the wicking process to start. And within 24 hours, your bag's going to have all the moisture in it that it needs to grow these plants. You don't have to worry about how much water is in the tray. Just make sure there's water in the tray. You can fill it all the way to the tippy top if you want to, or you can just fill it halfway or whatever you feel comfortable doing. Okay, once you do that, now your system's ready to go. Now into a window. If you want to plant indoors, next to a window that's south facing so that you get sunlight all day long, or put it out on a patio. You can put it out on your patio, your step, or you can put it in one of those wagons, or you can put it out anywhere in your yard where you can get direct sunlight. They grow best when they're in direct sunlight out in nature, outside. So they get all the sunlight that they need to grow. And as you notice here, the wicking system has dripped a few drops of water in my new bowl here. There's a few drops of water in there. You can see it's a little bit blue right there. So that's how easy it is to start a garden. Anybody can do it. It's a great project to do with children, adult supervision, of course. Watch your garden grow. There's no weeding. It's totally mobile. If you've never grown plants before, we've taken all the hard work out of it. There's no system to set up. There's no like hydroponics. You have to set up pumps and air filtration, and you have to add chemicals and things like that. There's nothing to add here. Just add water, and your garden is ready to go. Like I said, inside the bag is all the fertilizer that your plants will need at every stage of growth. So you should have a nice harvest from every grow bag. And again, once the plants reach about 1 foot high, you might want to consider moving that plant into a different container or a different grow bag by itself. Other than that, that's how easy it is to grow your garden at home. I hope we demonstrated that today. pondfarms.com. You can go there and check out the different seedlings we have to offer, the different bundles we have, and to get your grow bags. Also, remember to sign up for our email subscriber list, because you'll be the first ones to know when our seedlings are ready to ship. And we'll see you in the next video.